Let me ask you a question. Whenever you buy any item, what is one of the most important questions you want answered? If you're anything like me, you want to know the price. How much is this going to cost me? Well, I would expect you to have the same question when it comes to buying a new home. That's why, in this episode of the Scottsdale Home Hunt with Dan, we're going to discuss the total cost of home ownership. The purchase price isn't the only expenditure you should consider when you buy a home. There are a number of other expenses that you will incur, which you may want to compare to your current housing expense. In order to simplify the topic, we'll assume that you're going to finance your home with a loan from a mortgage lender. If that's the case, we can break down your expenses into your upfront costs and your ongoing monthly expenses. Your upfront costs are composed of your down payment, which will be some percentage of your purchase price, your closing costs, which include expenses like the cost of obtaining a loan and all escrow fees, and the costs associated with settling into your new home. Fees such as any appliances you might want to purchase, any furniture you're going to buy for your new home, and any changes to landscaping or renovations you might decide to make. On the other hand, your ongoing monthly expenses are composed of a number of expenses that can vary based on the loan and property you buy. You may have heard the acronym PITI, which stands for Principal, the portion of your monthly payment that actually decreases the loan amount, interest, the cost you pay for the money you borrowed, property taxes, and homeowner's insurance. In almost every scenario with a mortgage, these expenses will apply. Another acronym commonly used by realtors is PITI-ME-HA. The end of this acronym stands for Mortgage Insurance and Homeowners Association or HOA fees. Mortgage insurance is an added expense lenders generally require when your loan amount exceeds 80% of the property's value. So this will depend on your loan. The HOA fee will, however, depend on the property you buy and may not even apply to your home. Finally, two other expenses you may want to consider are the increased utility costs, if any, and any maintenance or upkeep costs you will experience in your new home. I hope that helps clarify some of the costs that go into home ownership. If you'd like to discuss the actual numbers as they pertain to you, please give me a call at 480-788-9873. If you've been watching any of my videos, you know about my monthly contest. In last month's episode, I showed you this picture of the Frank Lloyd Wright Spire located in the Promenade in Scottsdale. Let's see if you can guess the location of this statue. If you recognize where this is, send an email with your guess to thezupnikgroup2@gmail.com within 15 days. If you're correct, you'll be entered into a drawing for $20 to AMC Theaters. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for future videos and more chances to win.